so excited right now because it is officially my favorite season. Holiday season. And I have so many recipes that I want to make, to eat, and to share with you guys. With all of that being said, I know that the holidays can be an especially stressful time for a lot of reasons. But for those of us with food restrictions because of allergies or food sensitivities, it can add another layer of potential stress. So many of our holiday traditions revolve around food, and so as we try and navigate our way from Halloween candy to Thanksgiving dinner through holiday parties, while still enjoying ourselves and trying to have a good time, it can be a lot, especially if you are new to trying to eat a more food restricted diet. There is a lot that goes into living with a food restricted diet, and that is actually why I started Katie Eats. Which is why I'm excited to announce that in the next couple of months, I'm going to be releasing a series of videos that will dive much deeper into what it really means to live day to day while being gluten-free, vegan, low FODMAP, etc. But for now, let's just jump into our first fall recipe, which is pumpkin spice cookies. It's actually a perfect day for this recipe because it's kind of cloudy outside and drizzly, so I'm not sad about turning the oven on, and the house is going to smell amazing. Okay, let's go.